Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to add table of content, table of figure, and list of tables. So here you want to typically, so this I would do ideally after I have written the whole report, like I have added all the pages, and now I am at a stage where I need to submit my report, and then I will do this because if you add table of content earlier, then you need to always update it, and that does not make any sense. Anyway, you have here the navigation which you can use as a table of content. Yeah, so that's the reason I will do at the end of the report. So you want to make some space because it's page 1, and I will just enter it and I get this whole page. Yeah, since we have automatically added in the headings, the new chapter should start with the page break, so it will go into the next page, which I have already shown in the last video, and I have also made a separate video on that. Just check it out, the whole series. So here I would like to insert the table of content. So for that, you need to go into the reference. In reference, table of content, in table there, one can add different style of table of content. So I will select this one, and you have the table of content. But if you see, then this is not taking this one because this style is different. This is a custom style. So you just need to go here, heading 1, and this should update. Oh yeah, there is this custom setting which is only applicable for this one. So it is not showing over here, but I think that is an issue which I had also earlier. But so what you can do is just remove this one and add this one again, the heading 1, and just write it by your own self, table of content. Because why this is important is, if you like this, if you do like this, then you will have the table of content page numbering in the table, like in the actual one. I will just show it a bit, the field, entire table, and you have the table of content in which page. Because yeah, it might not be very good to have this, but if you have, like, you don't actually want table of content in like where it is because you are at that page, but you have more tables. Just for example, now we will be adding table of figure. So again, you need to go to reference. In reference, there is insert table of figure. So there it is table of figure, and it will just, you need to press OK. And now you want this list, like where it is, to be shown in the table of content. So I will make somewhat cleaner over here. I will add heading, so it will go into the new page by default, and I would add table of figure, and I will update this. Yeah, the entire table. Okay, now you have the way you want, but it does not look very aesthetically well because the subchapter and the chapter both have same kind of formatting and everything, which is not that good. We can make it better, and I don't suggest doing it manually, like going here, selecting this, selecting the format. No, that's the wrong way to do it, and there is a better way. To do the same thing is to go again in table of in reference, table of content, there custom table of content, and there this windows pop up. For table of figure, it was this one, like the side one. Both are identical, as you can see. And what you want to do is you want to format each of the headings separately, as we have done the styles. So in order to do that, just go to the modify. Now table of content label, these are the labels, so these are actually the headings over here. So heading 1 is the chapter name. These are the sub chapters. That is TOC2, TOC3, and likewise. When you wanna edit this one, the name which you wanna have it into the bold, let's make it bold, and let's make some size bigger. Why not? And you press OK, and okay, let's do for TOC2. Let's make it italic. And just okay. So now this will update on its own. That is the beauty. When you do it right, it should update automatically. And likewise, you can do it with table of figure. And now, yeah, one important thing, you want to have list of table as well. How you can do that? So for that, one need to go again to the reference. In reference, insert a table of figure, and there, instead of caption label to be figure, just select the table one, and you can again modify the headings or the list as you want, like going in modify, and again the same stuff which I have shown in the table of content, and just press OK, and it will insert it. So it will take all the table list or the caption of tables, and it will list it over here. We will move this to the new page because this is how ideally I want to have in the report. The list of tables. Beautiful. Should update. Okay, so here it is not updating. Just double click it over here. It will take some time because there is some eventing done while programming, and yeah, that is fine. It will come. So now you have this beautiful list of table, list of table of figure, table of content. But now one thing which is not beautiful is the actual report start from introduction, not from here. Or yeah, you will also add one more page because no one starts the report with the table of content. Okay, let's do that as well. I can insert. I think I have found that one can insert the cover page. Okay, let's for the example purpose do this one. Okay, so yeah, one can add everything, and yeah, this is also good. What we can do is my word tutorial report. Yeah, it is funny one. Let's keep it okay. And I want to update the whole table. Okay, so now it is starting here as 1. And now you want to start the actual numbering with introduction, right? So in order to do that, one needs to divide headings, heading and the footer into 2 sections. So I will just show you how to make section first of all. So you want to make the break between page number 3 and page number 4. So you want to start the new numbering at page number 4. So what you can do is go into page number 3, be here, and go into layout. In layout, break, section break, and then from next page the section will break. So how we can see that? Okay, what did it do? Okay, it just okay, it's fine. So when you double click over here, now if you see, there are 2 sections of headers and footer. It was not earlier. Now it is the case. So now what you can do is you can have a custom footer in section 1 and then in custom footer or header in section 2. So you can have a different heading style. That is fine. But what you want here is, I don't know what it did, but this is not what I want. You want to have here the different first page. No, you don't want to have a different first page. You want to have the same first page over here. So it did Okay, so it took from the earlier section. It's fine, you need to change that one. And now it will show your chapter over here, but it is showing me the page number as 0, which you don't want. So what you can do is, so first of all, link to previous one. Okay, so just to change the, okay, just to start the page numbering from here, what you can do is, because this is taking again from the old one, go here and format page number. Start from 1, not from 0. And now it is doing the way we want. And now you have different numbering. So if I update the table of content once again, yeah, and now you have the different numbering. Here it starts from 1 to 3, and from here 1 to 7. But you want this to be a Roman one. So you go again over here. Okay, purge me. I think this is what this cover page is doing. So I would avoid this one. It is just showing that. What we can do is we can go over here and then go again into the page format page number, and then again select here the one you want, that is the Roman one. Boom, boom, and now it is done. It is starting from like the way you want. And now we want to update this table of content, and this is the beauty of Word. When you use it right, it is so powerful, one cannot even imagine. Like you can see right now, 1, 2, 3, boom, you have it in the Roman sequence, and here is starting from 1 to 7. And if you want to do in the end as well, if you want to add some appendix, then also do the section break there, and then just apply this Roman numbering below that, and that is done. And the report will be very well formatted, and you don't need to invest so much time because you're using it right how it need to be. Okay, that's it, and this is the last video of this series. Yeah, with some delays, and yeah, here we are. Yeah, with this kind of skill set, one can write a good report. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content, and I would be very happy if you need any help, then just comment on the video. I will be happy to help you. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye bye.